You're watching Study with Sudhir. My name is TS Sudhir. This is your favorite digital classroom. Now, this is an important video to make an important announcement and also to clarify some of the frequently asked questions about the Study with Sudhir app on Playstore. Now, there is an information note on all the courses which are part of the app, but I realize that most of the students don't quite read that information note. Now, first I want to announce that on the 25th of September at 12:30 p.m., Study with Sudhir in association with Class Plus, the platform on which our app is developed, will feature a topper talk with Karishma Arora. Now, Karishma scored 99.8%. 99.8% in the Class 12 examinations of 2019, the Class 12 board exams of 2019, and she will talk about how to prepare for board examinations. So she definitely knows a thing or two about how to actually manage your time efficiently, manage the entire workload, study pressure, emotional turbulence, anxieties, etc., etc. This will be streamed live on the Study with Sudhir app. So do tune in, download the app if you have not done already. And I do believe that this will be of huge benefit to you, irrespective of which board you are a student of, whether it's CBSE, State Board, or the ICSE or ISE, or irrespective of whether you are a Class 10 or a Class 12 student, because the funda of studying efficiently applies equally to both Class 10 and Class 12. Okay, so that's the first part of this video. So apni diary mein likh lo, appointment hai. Okay. Too many students seem to think that the courses on the Study with Sudhir app are only till the term 1 examinations in November, December. No, they will continue till March 2022, till the term 2 examinations get over. The study material that you have on the app, as the students who are part of the courses will tell you, are far more exhaustive, far more detailed than you get on YouTube. It contains my personal notes. There are MCQs for term 1 and for term 2. We'll start putting up longer format questions and answers. We'll start doing that, November, December. If you read the info note that I had put out when we launched the courses starting the month of May 2021, I promised that I'd also post test papers. So those will be done. Some of the MCQs have already been done chapter wise. The test papers will also roll out through the month of October, so that it kind of keeps you in sync with your own preparation schedule, right? You can test with a test paper after you have finished revising a particular subject. Okay, now all the videos, the notes, the MCQs that are available on the courses, they are there irrespective of when you join. Now this is something which I want to clarify. आप जब भी ज्वाइन करेंगे, जब जागो तभी सवेरा, आप तभी से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं, समझे? अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं ज्वाइन किया है, अब ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, कल ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ऑल द स्टडी मटेरियल इज देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स, एफिशिएंटली टाइम्ड. ये लाइव क्लासेस की तरह हम टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा पॉइंट पे आते हैं, चैप्टर की बात करते हैं, इन एंड आउट. ओके, सो इट्स टाइम एफिशिएंट. So they are recorded, so they will be there. So you can decide that I want to start with this particular chapter and go on with it. So you can make your own schedule in different folders. The different chapters, the notes and the MCQs are organized. What you wish to study depends entirely on you. Okay, I hope this makes it clear. Now, there are also going to be some very exciting announcements. The first one about Karishma Arora, I just now told you. There are going to be some more very exciting announcements that I will make over the next few days in September itself. So the next 1 week of September is going to be very exciting. Very exciting. Trust me. So watch this space. Keep studying. Stay safe. All the best to you.